travel beyond the stars and unlock the mysteries of the universe.
66 million years ago, a shadow fell upon the earth, a cataclysm from the heavens. An asteroid 6 miles wide struck the planet with the force of billions of atomic bombs. This is the story we all know, the accepted truth of how the age of dinosaurs ended. But what if that story is incomplete? What if the executioner of an entire era didn't come alone? The official narrative points to the Chicxulub crater in the Yucatan Peninsula as the smoking gun, a scar on our planet over 100 miles across. It's the definitive impact site. Paleontologists, geologists, and astronomers have painstakingly pieced together the events of that fateful day. A single, colossal impactor, they say, plunged the world into a nuclear winter, choking the skies with ash and sulfur, starving the great beasts into extinction. It's a clean, simple, and scientifically sound explanation. But the universe is rarely that simple. The cosmos is a place of chaos, of multiple forces acting in concert, and sometimes a single piece of evidence forces us to question everything we thought we knew. That piece of evidence lies buried beneath the waves off the coast of West Africa. It's called the Nader crater, discovered only recently using seismic reflection data. Nader is much smaller than Chicxulub, above 5 miles in diameter, but its age is what sets off alarm bells. Geologists have dated it too. You guessed it, roughly 66 million years ago. The exact same time as the dinosaur-killing impact. The odds of 2 unrelated asteroids of this size hitting the Earth at the same geological moment are astronomically low. So low, in fact, that it forces a profound and unsettling question. Were these 2 separate events, or 2 parts of the same event? This is where science meets a more esoteric line of inquiry. Imagine not a lone assassin, but a cosmic firing squad. The Chicxulub asteroid and the Nader impactor could have been partners, part of a binary asteroid system. 2 celestial bodies gravitationally bound to each other, waltzing through space. Or perhaps they were fragments of a much larger parent body that broke apart as it approached Earth, torn asunder by our planet's immense gravitational pull. In this scenario, the Earth didn't just take one hit. It was a rapid one-two punch, a planetary barrage. Let's visualize this. It's the difference between a single, fatal blow and a brutal, sustained assault. This idea of a dual impact resonates with ancient patterns and cosmic symbolism. it would shatter into multiple fragments. Were there other, smaller impacts around the same time that we simply haven't found yet? Are there other nadir-sized craters lurking beneath the oceans or eroded away on land, their secrets lost to time? The Baltish crater in Ukraine, for example, is also dated to a similar time frame, though most geologists believe it hit a few thousand years after Chicxulub, an aftershock, perhaps. But what if their initial dating was slightly off? Could it have been a third piece of the same catastrophic cluster? Imagine a sky filled not with one falling star, but a rain of them, a celestial shotgun blast aimed directly at Earth. In this scenario, the extinction event wasn't a singular moment, but a short, brutal period of bombardment. This paints a picture of a planet under siege from multiple directions. It explains some of the lingering mysteries of the extinction, like why some species survived while others, seemingly well-adapted, vanished. Perhaps it came down to pure dumb luck of geography being in the right place at the wrong time when the sky itself was falling apart. This hypothesis carries an almost mystical weight. It suggests that the Great Dying was not just an accident, but a destiny, a planetary reset button pushed not once, but multiple times. It implies a level of cosmic architecture of events unfolding with a terrifying and beautiful logic. The universe, in this view, is not just a collection of random objects colliding randomly. It's a system with patterns, rhythms, and moments of profound, coordinated change. The death of the dinosaurs wasn't just a rock falling, it was a cosmic symphony of destruction, with multiple instruments playing their part to bring an era to a close. We look at Chicxulub as the primary cause, and perhaps it was. It was certainly the largest impact, but the nadir discovery challenges us to think differently. In medicine, a doctor looks for all contributing factors to a patient's illness. In a criminal investigation, detectives search for accomplices. Why should planetary science be any different? We must look for the accomplices to the nadir crater might be the first, but will it be the last we find? What does this mean for us today? It's a stark reminder that our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving. What we hold as fact can be shattered by a single new discovery buried beneath the sea. It also reminds us of our own vulnerability. We scan the skies for single, large, planet-killing asteroids. A binary pair or a fragmented comet could be much harder to predict and potentially impossible to defend against with our current technology. The story of the dinosaurs' extinction is not just a tale of the past. It's a warning for the future, and as we continue to explore our world and the universe around it, we may find that the story is darker, more complex, and more strangely orchestrated than we ever imagined. The asteroid that killed the dinosaurs may not have come alone. It may have brought a friend, and that simple, chilling possibility changes everything. Stay curious